Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pan a track left or right in Audacity. This is a super useful technique for controlling which speaker your audio comes from, giving you more control over your sound mix. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you have Audacity already open on your PC with your audio project loaded. Once you're in your workspace, look at the upper left corner of the screen and click the playback button. This will start playing your audio so you can hear the changes in real time as you adjust the panning. Having your track playing while you work makes it much easier to fine-tune the exact positioning you're looking for. Now direct your attention to the left side of the screen where your track is displayed. You'll notice several controls and sliders associated with that track. Among these controls, you'll see the pan slider, which is specifically designed for adjusting the stereo positioning of your audio. This slider is what allows you to control whether your sound comes from the left speaker, the right speaker, or somewhere in between. Look for the circle icon on the pan slider. This is what you'll be dragging to adjust the panning. Go ahead and click and hold this circle, then drag it to the left or right depending on where you want your audio positioned. If you move the slider to the left, the audio will come primarily from the left speaker. Conversely, if you move it to the right, the audio will shift to the right speaker. This gives you precise control over the spatial positioning of your track in the stereo field. As you're making these adjustments, it's important to monitor what's happening to your audio levels. At the top of the Audacity interface, you'll see the recording level meter. Keep an eye on this meter from time to time as you move the slider left or right. This visual feedback helps you understand how the panning is affecting your overall audio output and ensures you're getting the balance you want without clipping or distortion. And that's all there is to it. You've now adjusted the panning of your track in Audacity, giving you control over which speaker your audio plays through. This technique is essential for creating a more dynamic and professional sounding mix. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.